Hi friends, welcome to my channel MR Engineering Drawing for the Fitter 2020 and a mechanical engineering students and Fitter also. This is a drawing about a miscellaneous problem, orthometric projection into isometric projection, how to take a length, width and breadth as shown in the figure. I'll teach you and I'll tell you how to take a length, width and breadth, height also. Okay. First observe the drawing, what they given. The length, width and height around everything is 60. Then how to make a orthographic projection into isometric view. Just observe the drawing. Then what the drawing has been given. Take here. They given like this. So the length will be 60, the width will be 60, the height will be 60. Again in the front view they given like this. So this also 60, this also 60 and this also 60. Then how to take, draw one like this, keep a middle point and take, using protractor, take 30. Okay, after that take a measurement. This will be a 60 mm and this will be a 60 mm. So the height will be a 60 and here will be a 60 and here also a 60. Whenever you are drawing, it should be a square like this, then the drawing will come very neatly. So this is also 60, this will be a 60 and this will be a 60. Make a square box like this. What the drawing has been given, make it as dark. Okay, they have been cutted in the middle portion and this triangle portion and this triangle portion, so it will come like this. So the drawing will come like this. Just rub it on. So this is the drawing, what they given in the front view and the top view. So the drawing, the isometric projection will be like this. It will be cutted like this and here it will be cutted like this. So thanks for watching my channel. If you like this video, please subscribe. Will get all notification, ring the bell. This will be a 30-degree and this will be a 30-degree. Thanks for watching my channel.